You might have seen the wearable air purifiers online. This tiny device claims to purify the air around you, but is it really effective? Today we are opening up a wearable air purifier to see what's inside and whether it actually works. So this is an air purifier. You wear it around your neck and it creates an clean air zone around your face. Most brands claim it can protect you from dust, pollution, but the question is, does this small device really purifies the air? Inside, the design is actually pretty simple. It includes an ionizer, which is actually a high volt generator. It releases the negative ions to make the particles fall out of the air. And finally, a battery and a controller circuit to power everything. Still, the question is, does it really works? A research paper claiming the working of such device. However, it don't says how effective it is. Here you can see the sparks. Maybe they can help slightly, but their effect is often too weak in the open environments. So while it might reduce some particles very close to your face, it's not a strong protection against heavy pollutions. So yes, wearable air purifiers are cool tech but not a magic solution. So don't rely on such devices. Better option is to wear the mask. It has better result than this kind of expensive devices, even though they look cool. Would you try one of these? Let me know in the comments. Hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.